Okay, hello guys. Behind the screen once again is Goodness. In our previous class on HTML, we talked about how to edit our text with some HTML elements. I believe you went through the video properly. So in this video, I'll be showing us how to make lists in HTML. Basically, in HTML, we have three types of lists. Number one, we have ordered lists. Secondly, we have unordered list, and thirdly, we have description list. So their syntax is varies. Okay, so I'll be showing you how you can make your list. First thing first, let's see how to make ordered list first. To make ordered list, the syntax is OL. So what I did was just to type OL and hit enter. Automatically VS Code will help me with the open and also with the close tag. Okay, so this is the syntax for ordered list. So below here I have UL. UL is the syntax for unordered list. Then below this UL I have my DL. DL simply means description list. So these are the three types of list in HTML. Okay, now if I should go to my browser to view this, you see I can't see nothing. Why? Because I've not written anything inside these syntaxes I have here. Okay, so I'll just go ahead to make a list using the ordered list format. So I'll just have to say enter. Mind you, I won't just come and start writing it like this. I have another element, and this other element is called list item. So the element looks this way, li. I'll just say enter. Now let's say I want to make a list of names, so I'll be saying Goodness. I'll say enter, use li again. I'll say Marcel. So if I should view this, you see I'm getting Goodness and Marcel, and I'm getting 1, 2, 3, despite the fact I didn't specify those values up here. So what's responsible for these values you are seeing up here is just this OL syntax I have up there. Okay, so I'll just continue to make my list. I will just say treasure. I'll say enter. I'll say li. I'll say victory. And I'll say li again. I'll say Zeno. So if I should check, you see I'm getting all my names with values. Simply this list here is ordered. Okay, so now let's go and check out for this unordered. Let's see the difference. I'll still be using this li, this list item. I can just say let me just say Zeno. Now let me just view this and see what I have. Now you see I'm no longer getting numbers. Now I'm getting a bullet. So basically the difference between ordered list and unordered list is that ordered lists are numbered, whereas unordered comes with bullets. Okay, but in CSS we can actually use some CSS properties to manipulate these elements. What I mean by manipulation is that we can use some CSS properties to make unordered list look ordered, whereas make unordered also look ordered. So I will just have to go over here, copy this because of our time, and paste it here. Control V. So let's view what I have. You see, I'm still getting these bullets. So the other list we have is the description list. Now this, just from the name, is used to describe terms, but inside this DL element, I'm going to have two other elements nested in it. So the first element I'll be having here will be my description term. Just description term, what I'm describing. I can just go ahead and say HTML. So I want to describe HTML. I won't just come under here and start describing what HTML is all about. Rather, I will use another element to wrap up this my description. So I will just say DD. DD means DD means describing this description term I have here. Okay, I'll just go ahead and say, or you can say DD means describing description. Okay, so I can just come down here and say let me just say hypertext markup language. Okay, now I can just decide to put a hyphen here. So if I should go back and view, you see, this is what I have here. So this is how we can use ordered list, unordered list, and description lists. These codes are quite simple. Let me just do a quick recap. For ordered list, you use your OL as your parent element, then use your LI as the child. Okay, now I have LI goodness, I have LI Marcel. So same thing goes to unordered list. I'll also use my parent element, which is UL, meaning unordered list, and also use my LI. Same thing here. I'll use my parent element, which is DL description list, then I'll use my DT element, which stands for describing term, then I'll use my DD to describe the term. Okay, that's quite simple. Now let me show you one thing again. What will happen if I should remove this OL and also remove this OL? Let's just see what happens. You see, this guy just turned to an unordered list. So if you don't put your OL, automatically you're just making an unordered list. So I'll just have to put them back, then I'll go back to refresh. So guys, this is it for this video. I recommend you to go through this video very well. If you are still finding it difficult to understand, just go through it. Oftentimes, just keep practicing. I believe you will get through it. So see you in the next video. Bye.